I remember I was at the park feeding the tiny birds scraps of my fried chicken. It occurred to me to poison them, so I went back and poisoned two of the fat ones. I took their dead bodies home and cut them up. The next day I fed them to some bigger birds, and I fed those birds to some bigger birds, and those to some more birds. I fed some of that to some animals, and then to more animals, and so on. Then, one day, I decided that that was kind of fucked up. I didn't do it anymore, and that was that. Now I look back and kind of think about it. I like animals.